Yet easily swamped. No armor or shield, no sword or spear. Just clean, simple hands, free of fear. Invisible foes, they lurk all around. Microscopic invaders, unseen and unsound. But fear not, dear comrades, for we hold the key to ward off these threats and keep patients free. With water and soap or sanitizer in hand, we cleanse and we scrub to make our stand. Against germs and infections, we boldly fight. With every wash, we champion what's right. On this Hand Hygiene Day, let us unite to spread awareness and shine a light on the power of clean hands in saving lives, for in this simple act, hope thrives. So let us pledge to wash and sanitize, to protect our patients and rise above the dangers that linger unseen, with hand hygiene as our trusted vaccine. Together we stand in this noble quest to keep our communities safe and blessed. For in the palms of our hands lies the key to a healthier world for you and me. What a very, very good